Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer wellness programs with Blue Cross Blue Shield easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your wellness programs with Blue Cross Blue Shield, start by gathering your current wellness program details. Log into your Blue Cross Blue Shield member account on their official website. Navigate to the Wellness Programs section found in your account dashboard. Review the available wellness programs listed. Select the program you wish to transfer. Take note of any requirements or eligibility criteria for the new program. If you're eligible, click on the transfer option associated with that program. Follow the prompts to complete the transfer request. You may be asked to provide additional information, such as your current program details. Fill out any necessary fields in the transfer form carefully. Submit your transfer request and wait for confirmation. Check your email for updates or confirmation of your transfer request. If you do not receive a response within a few days, contact customer support for assistance. Access your new wellness program details once the transfer is confirmed. Take advantage of the tools and resources available in your new program. Stay engaged with wellness activities and track your progress. Remember, your health journey is unique and should be tailored to your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.